everybody, this is Tommy Olsson, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a blog with WordPress. This tutorial may fit anyone that's new to blogging or a little more experience. Now, talking about blogging and domain names, you should have your own custom domain name, and the domain name should be involving your name, part of your name, maybe your first name or your whole name, or the niche you are into. Now you can create any blog you want, of course. It could be fashion blog, affiliate marketing blog, and so on, so that when people click on the affiliate links on your blog, you will earn a percentage of commissions. But one plugin that you should have is Google Analytics, so you can see how the statistics of your blog, the traffic to different posts and pages, to see what you can improve. Here is my overview report, but if you don't have Google connected, Google Analytics, then you need to go to plugins. Go to plugins by clicking there. As you can see, I have Google Analytics activated here, and if you don't have that, then just type in Google Analytics here, and then you need to install it. And if you don't have it, you need to activate it. So yeah, and then I deactivated the plugins just to show you, and then we're gonna click on activate. So here we are at exact metrics. We're gonna click on the green button. So here you choose the kind of a website you have. I have e-commerce, so we're gonna save and continue. And I click on reconnect exact metrics. Here you choose the email you want to use for your blog or website. And here you mark all these boxes. It's in Swedish, but it's that it gets access to edit units in Google Analytics and more, show and handle your analytics data and so on. And then you click on continue. If you have a profile earlier, then you could choose one of them, or just create a new one. And then you click on complete connection. And now it's finalizing authentication. Here you should scroll down the page to check out the setting you want to have. And then when you're done, you click on save and continue. we will have a look at my blog soon, but we use the dvBuilder here at Influx Plus, and by going to dv and settings, go to settings and then choose admin 2020. You can edit different things. For instance, you can put up an admin logo, what color and so on, and background color and so on. There are different options of disable search. A lot of things. Set dark mode on default and so on. You can change about menus, backgrounds color, and click here to change the color and so on. I'm not going to go through it all, but if you have more people that administrate your blog, you can choose which one you don't allow to access this admin 2020 theme. You can put the name here. But there's a lot here. You can go through it once you take the free trial, 14-day free trial with Influx, where you can create any website and get blogs connected to those websites. And as you can see, you can add videos to your overview page and a lot of things here. So let's now go to my blog. Now let's have a look at the structure of a blog post. Here's a post I have written. It's good for SEO if you at least write 500 words in each post. Preferably if you can write a bit more, that's even better. But anyway, and you also should add a few images. There's a different reason for that, because of SEO as well, and also that it's get more enjoyable for your readers to read your content. And the keywords you choose for your post, you should name your images with the keywords as well, and alternate text as well. But then it's important also to choose a category. It can be the keyword for your post or something similar. And then you also need to add tags, like they are like keywords, they are like search terms. And your keywords should be entered here, but also other things that's connected to what your content is about. Think about what people want to know, what people are searching for, and so on. And another thing, you gotta set a featured image, the image that will show in when you're sharing your post and so on. And here you see featured image, set featured image. I've already done that, but we can click to set it again. So you choose any image from your library that you have in your post. For instance, that one, and then you just save it. Set featured image, and then you're done. It's also good to have this free plugin called Smart Crawl. It's an SEO plugin that will help you optimize your blog post. And here you put in the main keywords, focus keywords, and when you have done that, there comes a list of things. All these points should be green. I have missed some of the things that's orange that I need to improve, and then when you're ready to publish it, you just click publish, of course, or in this case update, like that. So now if you want to create blogs or multiple blogs with a website where you can sell your own products, membership sites or whatever, then feel free to click the link below for a 14-day free trial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.